Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. This is the Closing Bell Show. We've just been watching, of course, the Fed, Jerome Powell, for the FOMC report. Markets dropped back down and recovered. It wasn't like I anticipated. It wasn't a 5% up today. Most of you thought I was going to go 5% down. Well, I'm only down 1.22 at the moment. It pretty much bounced back. And possibly end up with a green day. It was a very tight, very hawkish Fed report. I have to say I'm surprised. CPI data was good. The Fed have started to reduce the rate hikes, and yet we had a sell-off, and the 10% we gained a few days ago all got wiped out as well. So very, very interesting day. What do I think about this? Well, let's get straight into my positions. I will share with you on the screen what I think. This is my position right now. I didn't buy anything. Nothing went to an all-time low. So my portfolio is still robust, still solid, still not giving up. I didn't sell anything. That would be pointless as well. I've held my position, and I am surprised by people's reactions. I'm surprised that it sold off so much. I know the Fed report wasn't great, and they were very hawkish in everything they said. However, I am just holding the course. It's long term. I think this constant buying, I heard several of you say, I've sold out, I'm trying to buy back in again. It's a very, very dangerous game. Remember, 95% of day traders lose long term. So I don't think that's the way to go forward right now at all. I think that's a very, very scary way. I think just hold your positions, looking for stocks going lower. I was hoping to get Tesla at 150. It didn't actually go there. It went back up again at 157. So my average wasn't able to be reduced at 150, but that's okay. I'm holding my position. So what do you think by the reaction? I saw many of you very concerned, feeling afraid that your portfolios are going to go to mush. Well, as far as I'm concerned, I'm holding my position. I'm not fearful at all. Definitely hold, let dividends reinvest. Will be great in the long term. I am fully with Crytol. 100% agreement with what Crytol said, one of our new members. Absolutely. If anything goes dramatically lower, and when I say dramatically lower, it's my all-time lows. Let's see what performed well, though, because several stocks actually performed quite well today. My overall portfolio is down 1.66. It was down nearly 4%. Bounced back. The S&P is down 0.33. I'm still up 2.83. Happy there. Virgin Galactic has been round about this position now for ages. Virgin Orbit, well, we know there's no news there because of the flights. Tesla doesn't want to go much lower. I'm trying to buy it at 150, but it won't let me. And if it does, I will buy one. Rivian, it's been going sideways all day. Nothing there to report. Lucid, I've got orders to buy at 7. I bought at 8 today. Arrival, well, it's just a lottery ticket, right? Amazon, down 1%. Nothing dramatic there. Really, Apple is down 1.57. I'm trying to buy at 130. A long way to go before I buy all-time lows of Apple. Robinhood 1.6. Nothing massive there. McDonald's has been is good up today. My staples, my defensive stocks are performing. Coca-Cola doing well up today. J&J is up 0.5% today. These are the stocks that keep my portfolio going. Google today is flat. Microsoft is actually up 0.5%. That's good. Meta, I've always said the best value stock you can buy on the stock market right now. I'm up 5.74, up 1.77% today. I'm happy with that. Great. SoFi is good. The investigation after Sam Bankman-Fried, that's good. Up 6.43. IonQ is down 1.97. I'm hoping to buy more if it goes lower. I've got buys for absolutely everything. I'm holding for my dividends. I'm not selling anything. I'm certainly not buying if it rallies from here. That would be ridiculous. The report and the Fed were very hawkish. Rises continuing all through 2023. You'd be absolutely bonkers to buy on pumps, but buy on dips is a completely different thing. Bitcoin is actually up today, 0.26. BSV is down 1.57. Ethereum is down 0.7. Nothing major to report there. So for me, it's business as usual. I'm holding my positions and I'm staying where I am, holding the course, And that is me. So there will be an edited version of the Jerome Powell speech coming up later. We've only got half an hour to go before we end today's show for the closing bell. And then, of course, we have our world premiere of our first Christmas song tonight. So hopefully you'll join us for our first Christmas song tonight. We're excited about it, and hopefully you'll be there with us tonight. Okay, now then, the broadcast lounge is open. If any of you are YouTube members, you can call into the show. Let me share with you. Oh, I apologize. I'm muted. That's good. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, sorry about that. I'm muted. I'm back again now. So anyway, the broadcast lounge is open. If you want to call in, you can call in to the show. Okay, he was swearing. Yeah, no, I wasn't swearing. I was just welcoming our new gold member into the show. All right, let's get back to our main trading position again. There we go. Okay, down 2.71. I thought I was going to be up today 5%. I really did. CPI coming down, rates coming down, and yet everything goes bad. It's just, anyway. So take the casino out of it. Take the gambling out of it. You don't buy on days like today. Obviously, we're not in a bull market. The bear market is dying. I still believe I'm at the bottom. I've been at the bottom for now 3 weeks. I'm still up over 2 months, despite today. My portfolio is still up over 2 months, despite today. And if you don't believe me, I'll share it on the screen. Look, I'm still up today over 2 months. My portfolio has bottomed. Now, if it breaks down below, where are we? Below here, 39, then it's not bottomed. But it is holding above where I am over 2 months. Down over 3 months, but up over 2 months. So we're still up. Still stand by what I say. My portfolio is holding at the moment. Hang on a minute. Someone's doing a poll. Did you know Martyn goes live every day on YouTube? Fantastic. Yes. Let's start that. How cool is that? Who did the poll? Thank you very much. Whoever that was who started the poll for me. Somebody on TikTok started a poll. Anyway, let's see how the market reacts now. Now we're selling off again. It's a constant up and down. This is not investing. This is not the stock. This is not why I came into the stock market. This is up and down. No one's investing in anything. It's like Market Profit says. It's a casino. It's behaving like a casino. Well, it's not for me. I simply research the companies that I want to own. I buy them when they go dramatically low, and I buy them when they go to all-time lows. I don't buy on pumps. I don't buy on red days or green days. I simply buy when things go down to all-time lows. That's it. A very straightforward strategy, and I hold. This constant up and down, all it says to me is nobody believes in anything. Nobody knows what they're doing. Everybody disagrees. One person says one thing. Someone says something else. And these are the experts, the people that we're supposed to believe. No one has a bloody clue what they're doing. It's up, it's down. They buy, they sell, they're in, they're out. Everyone's scalping and running around like headless chickens. And I'm just sat down watching it all thinking, what a bunch of clowns. You know, you either believe in the companies that you believe in or you don't. Do you believe in the American economy? Do you believe Microsoft? Do you believe in Apple? Do you believe in Google? Do you believe in Tesla? Make good products and make profits. If you do, you invest. When they get cheaper, you buy more. It's very, very straightforward. It's very, very simple. And that's the way I'm behaving. I'm not playing the game of up and down and in and out, because if I did, I would literally... I think I'd give up. I wouldn't have a clue what was going on. The stress would be off the charts. I wouldn't have a clue where I was going. And I think what an utter complete waste of time. There we go. Mean tech courses, I believe. A lot of people are not investors, but they buy for profit, no care about the companies. I totally agree, Krytol. Right, we've got a really good audience. We only started 5 minutes ago, 36 watching and 13 likes. So I'm going to ask everyone right now. We provide these shows free of charge. 10 hours a day I go live to help people, support people. And all I ask is you click subscribe and ring the bell. That really helps, and give me a thumbs up. That's the ticket to the show. Let's put a minute on the clock and let's get 30 likes in 1 minute. Are you ready? Here we go. Let's get 30 likes in 1 minute. Chicky, 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 pow, pow. Said, chicky, 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 pow, pow. With the real Satoshi. Stand up, say please stand up, say please stand up. Come on, everybody. We got 36 watching, just 16 likes. Let me bring the screen into focus so you can see exactly how many watching. That I'll show you on the screen. Always honest, always tell the truth, never pumping, never promoting, just sharing my real trades. 35 watching and just 20 likes. We want, there it is, we want 30 likes in 20 seconds. Tilray is down 5%. Just 20 likes, smash the like button. Rubbish interview, says Churchy, he didn't like it. There we go, 21 likes, we're moving up. There we go, and Rob Herndon has just subscribed. There we go. Become part of our family. Get involved with the show. 21 liked. There we go. Thank you so much indeed for supporting our live shows. Very, very much appreciate that indeed. There we go. Let's get Mr. Mini off the screen. 23, 24. Okay, so what does everybody feel? I've opened up the broadcast lounge. If you want to call in, you can call in live to the show. If you want to be on the show, our YouTube members with the highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube for YouTube members to live viewers ratio. Okay, if you want the invitation to join and get a badge and get all the perks and benefits, cash prize giveaways, polls, exclusive content, I make videos for you to promote the stocks that you want me to talk about. Call into the show. There's the invitation to join. I believe we are Captain Peacock. Believe. That's, of course, what's his name? Can't remember his name now. Hannibal Lecter, what's his bloody name? Believe, just believe. Okay, anyway, we need an irate caller. Yes, we do. The broadcast lounge is open. It is for YouTube members only. You can call through Discord. Discord is free to access, but if you want to call in and get all our tips and exclusive content, you need to be a YouTube member. There is Discord in the chat. Okie dokie. Right. Broadcast lounge is open. If anybody gets in there, I will welcome you on to the show. And you can call in just like our investors here. This is what it looks like.
I'm Kurt Wooker Jr., and I am blessed to have been on.
I have to first say that, your show is amazing. Everyone needs to check out Martyn Lucas, the day trader.
Keep watching Martyn Lucas. He's a cheeky chappy from the south of England, and he's a lot of fun.
That you can have today is to join the Martyn Lucas show. Make yourself some...
There you go. You can call into the computer. You can call into the show live if you wish to do so. All right. Okay. Fantastic. We got 40 watching, 25 likes. Thank you if you liked the video and supported our channel. Really do appreciate it. Very much indeed. Caden Youngquist is back. Fantastic. Now, we've still got the spot open. It's a $10 super chat. If anybody wants to sponsor the newsletter for Christmas Day, it'll actually arrive on Christmas Day. If you'd like to send a message to everybody, we have 320 people now, I think, subscribe to our newsletter. Something like that. You see it in the newsletter at the top. 60% open rate on the day and nearly 100% by the time we run the competition. If you want to wish everybody Merry Christmas, Happy Christmas if you're from England, $10 super chat and you can sponsor the Christmas Day newsletter. Okay, let's get straight back into our positions and let's see what's going up right now. We've got 20 minutes to go. We got the day trader of the day. We got the cash prize giveaway on Friday. Looking great. Merry Christmas, says Market Profit. Every morning before the opening bell, I have my advent calendar. It's a 13 seconds little Christmas message to you. There it is. There's the advent calendar. Have you liked it and left your comment? And I share all the comments on the screen in the opening bell. There's today's advent calendar. You don't want to miss one, otherwise Father Christmas won't come. There's today's. Now, if you want to be in our world premiere, which starts in half an hour from now, of tonight's first Christmas song, here is the video. And we've broken the world record tonight. 18 was the record for the likes before the broadcast. And if we look at it, we are now at 22. 22. This is our world premiere Christmas song tonight going live. And I want to thank everyone who's left a comment below the video as well. I'll share with you who has already left a comment. Thank you so much to all of those that actually have left a comment as well. Here we go. These are all the comments from everybody. Let me share with you. We have Bill, we have Miss Sia, that's Queen Yourself Braiding, Shad, Steam, Development Alert Uganda, Andrew Grady, Malk UK, Bill, Martyn, me, myself, Mike. There you go. Thank you everyone that's left a comment for our Christmas premiere tonight. 22 is a new world record before the premiere goes out. Thank you so much indeed. So what did you make of Fed Jerome Powell's speech? Very hawkish. I've always said it's not how hard you can hit, it's how many punches you can take. I'm still in the game, not going anywhere. You'd be crazy to buy anything unless it goes to all-time lows. Fake out before the massive run-up. All good news, in my opinion, said Leonard Armstrong. We saw CPI rate come down. We saw inflation come down. We saw or the rate of it going up come down. We saw the interest rate hike slowed, even though it's going to continue throughout 23. We're seeing green shoots. We're seeing many things in the markets look good. However, everybody's in and out like a bloody yo-yo. Nobody knows what they want. They're selling, they're in, they're out. As you can see from looking at my portfolio, the way it just goes up and down like a yo-yo. I'm not chasing it. I'm only buying my all-time lows. And I still believe in the companies that I hold. Why wouldn't I? If they get cheaper, why wouldn't I buy lower? It makes every bit of sense to me. Anyway, I'm glad Leonard Armstrong feels the same. Anyway, I hope everybody will join me for the after hours tonight for the Christmas special. Let me see if anyone is in the broadcast lounge. If you want to have your say and call in, the broadcast lounge is over there on Discord. You can call in. YouTube members only. And if you want to be a member and get all the perks, this channel is trying to become the best YouTube channels in the world. This one and my music channel. I hope that you, like me, I've tried to build the best YouTube channel on YouTube. All this comes to life tonight in our music show. We have all the smoke and the special effects. It's the most honest, real, genuine, 10 hours a day live YouTube channel on YouTube. That's what we're trying to grow, and I hope you'll be part of my family. Now then, it's very important that you do subscribe to the newsletter and also follow me on Twitter. Should the worst ever happen that I lose my channel, it does happen all the time. Financial channels do have issues and get shut down. It does happen, folks. So here is my Twitter. Follow me on Twitter. Should the worst happen, and it did happen 3 times when I first launched my channel. If it ever happens, I would have to start all over again. There is my Twitter. Follow me on Twitter and ring the bell so I will be able to notify you and reach you should the worst happen. And it does happen. There is my Twitter in the chat. All right? Follow me on Twitter, and it's a backup for our stream should anything ever happen. All right? A big pat on the back. Good job, Martyn. Thank you ever so much, Bill. Join me tomorrow because of tomorrow it is my 5th wedding anniversary, and tomorrow night me and Leah are going out for dinner after the show, so hopefully you'll all join me tomorrow for that. We got day trader of the day in a few moments. The markets have sold off down 3%, but they're not selling off any further. I see lots of green shoots. I see one of my best value investments, Meta, going up again today. I'm up 5% on it. I like it. Microsoft is also up 9.95. Let's look at my Tilray is down today, 338. I'm out of the money by 2%. Dear, oh dear. They didn't like that today, did they? Enphase Energy up again, 1.69. Really great. I'm up 14% on that one. And Gove today, Canoe is down another 6%. Very concerned about them. That's why I'm not buying any more of it. Anyway, down 3% and holding. Fed, no interest cuts forecast for 2023. Do you know what? That's bullish. Reason why I say that's bullish is they're giving no indication that they're going to cut rates. So that brings pain to the economy. So when they surprise us and say we are going to reduce the rates, then we're in for a big treat. I've always said it's how much pain you can take. That's what it's all about. That the worse a picture you paint for me, the worse I can take it. The more pain I take, the worse the markets get, the lower my averages become, the better for me long term. I'm not looking to retire today or tomorrow, but in 10 years from now. Okay. I'm tired. What a day. What a day. I want to thank everyone for subscribing and ringing the bell today, and also liking the video. If you've not liked the video today, what can I do to get you to like the video? By liking the video, what it does is it tells YouTube to share this video to more people, and that really helps me grow. Fantastic. Let's have a look. Did we gain any subscribers during today's show? Let's have a quick look. 5,818. We gained another one. There we go. 5,819. One by one. It's on average one every 10 minutes now. I want to thank everyone on TikTok as well for joining me. Thanks for all the follows. Thanks for being here. Join me on youtube.com/@Martyn Lucas Investor. We are immune to pain, the loyal Dutch. Welcome to you, the loyal Dutch. I play a lot in Maxim's Piano Bar in Amsterdam, Liederstraße. Lovely to have you with me. There you go. Great to have you with me. Let's go back to my main portfolio and see where we are. 15 minutes to go, and we are about to do Day Trader of the Day. And then we got our world premiere. I hope you'll all join me, and I hope you've all signed the Christmas Advent calendar today. Awesome stuff. Right. We're getting very, very close to a record. We've never had 10,000 views in 48 hours. And we're getting up there again now. I'm going to share with you, look, on the screen, my analytics here. Look, 7,221 again in 48 hours. We're heading back up to 10,000 if we have a nice this afternoon picks up, and it could do. Everything's getting watched and searched. You never know. I might hit that 10,000. It's a target I've never yet been able to reach because videos drop off and then you try and go again. It's very difficult to do, but I'm trying to get there. 10,000 in 48 hours. Okay. Evening all, Duchak. Oh, I've not heard from Duchak for a while. How are you, Duchak? Lovely to have you here. Duchak's here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Duchak, you probably missed this morning. Every morning, just 15 minutes before the show, we have a Christmas advent calendar for you to sign. It's a 13-second video. And here it is. And you leave your Christmas message, leave a comment on it. It's a short. So all you got to do is leave a comment. You can do that, like it. And I read out everyone's comments in the opening bell. It's a Christmas advent calendar. You don't want to miss it. It's every morning and every night, starting tonight, every day until Christmas, Boxing Day, December 26th, we have our world premiere of our Christmas music song. And that airs at 15 minutes after the closing bell time every single day, including Saturday and Sunday, all the way through until December 26th. There is tonight's premiere, and it starts in half an hour from now, just after we ring the bell. And we've already got 23 likes. We've smashed the record. It was 18 likes last night was set. And now we're at 23 likes. Absolutely brilliant. There's going to be one of these for you every single night. And I do it just to bring the community together. Please know that my music videos don't make me any money. They're all copyrighted music. I get nothing from them. I just want to celebrate Christmas, bring the family together, do the Advent calendar every day. I think it's a kind of cool idea. And this morning, we had I've had over 600 views on that short this morning. Brilliant. It came out this morning. Everyone commented. Thank you so much for doing it. And you never know, we might have some viral videos. Martyn, are you trading from the UK? No. My studio is here in Dallas, Texas, even though I'm from Cornwall in England, but my studio is here in Texas. Christmas tree at the left of me, as you can see. How is everyone's portfolio doing? I'm down 30% this year. I am exactly the same as you. I am actually down, I think, more than that. I'm down 46%. No, hang on. I'm down 44%. There is my portfolio. This is my real money, my real trades. I'm down 44% this in total. But I'm not afraid. I'm not fearful. I'm believing in the companies, and I believe in the future. So there's my position. Okay. Tomorrow we got 10 minutes ago. In fact, let's do it now. Stop showing off, Martyn. What? That I'm down. That I'm down 44%. Yeah. I'm down more than anyone. Bloody nightmare. But anyway, there you go. It's the more money I lose, the more people watch. It seems that way. Anyway, I'm holding my positions. I'm very happy to do so. Yeah. No one's down 44%. What idiot would be down 44% and then go on YouTube and share it to the world? Oh, yeah, Martyn Lucas does it every day. Yeah. There you go. That's why it's the highest engagement rate on YouTube. Yes, indeed. If you've just tuned in, we have the highest engagement rate of any channel. That is live viewers to members. Here's the membership program. And we gained a silver and a gold member today while I was off air. And they've just tuned into Discord. And hopefully they might call in to the show. Let me go and check now if anyone is in Discord that wants to call in. Nobody in the broadcast lounge now. Okay, fantastic. Right, let's do day trader of the day. Right after a quick commercial break, bring everybody up to date, and then we got our world premiere Christmas song. I hope you'll all join me live from my studio. It's it's our first Christmas song tonight, and every day between now and December 26th. Join me. My portfolio is down 13% on the Stockholm Exchange. Privet, lovely to have you with me, and thank you for being here every day. You're becoming a regular to our show. We hope you'll soon become a member and join the 101 or 102, I think it is, something like that, members that are here every day and get all the perks and benefits. Ask everybody and they'll tell you why they're members. They get 20 times back what they put in. We will survive this, says the loyal Dutch. There have always been more bull markets than bear. They're absolutely right. Absolutely right. We'll hold on. Absolutely right. I don't want to retire today. I'm just buying the dips on the way down. That's just what every good fund manager does. If you're buying the stock market, if you are having a regular job with a 401k, your fund manager drops in $100 or $1,000 or whatever it is every month and buys the overall index, which is essentially what I am doing over time. That's exactly what I'm doing. I want to retire today. Yeah, I don't want to retire. I want to be doing this till I'm dead. All right, I love what I do, and I love the family and everything else. And tomorrow, of course, I'm going to celebrate my 5th wedding anniversary. I hope you'll all join me. Right, day trader of the day. It wasn't as bad. It wasn't anywhere near as good as I thought. I thought I was going to be up 5%. Bloody hell, that went down the toilet, didn't it? Anyway. Doesn't matter. It is what it is. Down 2.28%. There we go. Down 2.28%. The hell with everything, everyone and everything. Well, that's a good attitude, isn't it? Bloody nightmare. No one is up. All right. Down 2.28. There's my portfolio on the screen. I'm going to give you 1 minute on the clock when the first person posts. Let's do day trader of the day right now. We're going to ring the bell right on the bell and then go over to the world premiere of my Christmas song. Okay, ready? When the first person posts, up $3. No idea on the percentage. Hey, whatever. It's all good. All right, who's the first person to post? Here we go. Ian Jackson is down 0.77. Ian Jackson then goes into the lead over from my down 2.28. Thank you ever so much indeed. Quanda Brando Quasso. Market just selling the news. These next couple of weeks should be positive. Let's hope so. Up 3.43. Bill is up. Crag is down 5.0%. I can't believe it. Bill is up today. Absolutely awesome. Private, yes, says the loyal Dutch. Anybody, any advances on 3.4? Is that up or down? 22.26 today. Is that up or down? Is that your overall portfolio, Nits? I can't believe that's your overall portfolio of your overall stocks. It can't just be one stock, one crypto. That doesn't count. It's your overall portfolio. I live in Norway and have to pay 15% dividend. Let me, hang on a minute. We got over the time then. Let me come back to here a minute. There we go. Loyal Dutch. Up. You're up. Is that your overall portfolio though? That sounds a bit extreme to me. Anyway, up 4%. I don't see how anyone could be up 22% on a day like today. But is that your overall portfolio? I'm up 1.1. Yeah, all on 5 stocks, down to 3. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to include that then. If you've only got 3 stocks, that's basically, I mean, you could just buy Mullen or you could buy Shiba Inu and be up 5,000%. I don't think I can take that, I'm afraid, Nits. Just 3 stocks. Congratulations though, but I don't think I'm going to allow that for the competition. It has to be your overall portfolio, not just 1 or 2 stocks. Down 5.69. I'm up 1%. Portland Trailblazer is up 4%. Let's have a quick look then. I think Bill 3.43. I think the winner then is Portland Trailblazer with the overall portfolio. I only have 5 stocks right now. Well, you know, we have to have some sort of cut-off point because if you only have 1 or 2 stocks, you know, it doesn't really make much sense. It's not an overall portfolio, is it? Anyway, I'm going to give the prize. Congratulations to Nits. But I'm going to give it to Portland Trailblazer, I think. So thank you for your honest trades. Thumbs up to you and a round of applause. There you go. Congratulations. Martin is a tough cookie. Well, we have to have some sort of balance to it, otherwise it all makes no flipping sense, does it? Congratulations, Portland. There you go. Congratulations to Nits as well, but as I say, a couple of stocks, it's kind of like, whatever. But very well done, though, to picking the right stocks. That's great. So 2.49 at the moment. Okay. It went up. Now it's 5. There we go. Congratulations. Ford, Palantir, Rumble, and Nintendo. You got a very unusual portfolio there, Church. Ford is very stable. Palantir is risky as hell. Rumble I wouldn't touch with a barge pole. Gaming stocks I don't like. I know you do. And Vorb, well, it only works when it flies. So what about, where's the S&P 500? Where's the defensive stocks? Where's your Google and J&J and Coca-Cola, the best companies? Where are they? Do they not belong in your portfolio? Congratulations, Nits and Portland. Very, very fair. Said so in the live FOMC. It was fun and all tucked away and ready to deploy, said Nits Farreld. Okay, let me go back to my main portfolio. We're about to close. France just won. No surprise there. No surprise there at all. That would have been England if it wasn't for a missed penalty. And we'd have been in the final with Argentina. Oh, shall we even talk about it? Let's don't talk about those things. Anyway, my overall portfolio is surprised me. Not up 5%. I'm down 2.5%, but I'm still in, not going anywhere. I'm still above 40 grand. We are where we are. I'm holding firm. I didn't manage to get any more stocks this afternoon. I did this morning. I got some more Lucid. I wanted to get Tesla at 150. Didn't go there, but never mind. Anyway, 3 minutes to go. So it is now time for our very first Christmas premiere. World record tonight. I want everyone to sign our advent calendar. It's a 13-second Christmas clip. Here it is. It comes out every morning at 15 minutes before the opening bell. And if you leave a comment, I will share it and answer it. It's a Christmas calendar. It's a Christmas advent gift to everyone. It's a 13-second song. Just leave a like and a comment. You can do that even on a short, which is what that is. That's today's one. Don't miss one because you want the whole set. We have one coming out every single day, including Saturday and Sunday, every single day. And if you ring the bell on Martyn Lucas Channel, you'll be kept up to date with it. Anyway, last call for if anybody wants to sponsor the newsletter for Christmas Day. If you want to sponsor the newsletter for Christmas Day, if you want to send everybody a Christmas card, whoever sponsors the newsletter for Christmas Day, it's a $10 super chat. You can send a message to me, and maybe you want a photograph of your family or whatever, put in there. I'll put a picture in, and you can wish 320 plus people Merry Christmas with a newsletter that will arrive on Christmas Day, 8 a.m. Central, 9 p.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT. And even if they don't read it on Christmas Day, they will read it on Boxing Day or the day after. So if you want to sponsor that, it's a $10 super chat, the first person to do it. Okay, and Dexter Sickles, did you do the advent calendar? Can't remember now if you did or not. Anyway, there it is. Right, we've got 1 minute to go before we ring the bell. And here is the very last time. Here is our world premiere for tonight's Christmas song. Hopefully you'll all join me for the world premiere. It airs in 15 minutes. There's the link on the Martyn Lucas channel. It's in the chat for you right now. Let me read the comments. Riley, Ella, and Katie say hi. Okay, let me say hello to you. Ella, Riley, and Katie. Riley Roo, how are you? Did you see my Christmas advent calendar? Did you open it? Did you open the little door and get my 13-second song? I sung it to you, especially for you, the Riley Roo, Ella, and Katie. I sung it for you this morning. Leave a little message, and our Christmas song starts in a minute. Hopefully you'll be there for your Christmas song every day at this time. I have a Christmas song. I'm like a Christmas Santa coming into your house singing your Christmas songs. All right, brilliant. If I invest in the S&P 500, I'm not buying anything that's in the index. That's in the index already. I understand your point, but it's a safe, secure pot of money that keeps going up and will return a return of 15% a year on average and make you a dividend as well. So I think it's not a bad idea. They missed most of the week of school, but they're on the mend. I'm very glad you're feeling better, boys and girls. In the morning I did. Fantastic, Dexter. Thank you very much indeed. Same here, church. In the lounge. Ali Tisro is in the lounge. Let's ring the bell. Let's ring the bell. Here we go. I missed it again. And where's my flipping thing? There we go. The markets are closed. Are we going to get a bounce or a bigger drop in the after hours? We'll see. We'll be here for a few minutes. Ali Tisro is in the lounge. Have a great time, or we will. Let me bring in then. We've got Ali Tisro, who is live with us in the broadcast lounge on Discord. So let me go over to the broadcast lounge right now and bring Ali Tisro in. Unmute yourself, Ali. You are muted at the moment, and I will bring you in a couple of seconds. Here we go. Ali, oh, hang on a minute. I've got to do this one first. Ali Tisro, welcome to the show.
Hello, Martyn. How you doing?
Hey, there he is. Oh, hang on a second, Ali. Someone just posted a poll. Did you know Martyn goes live every day on YouTube? Yes, I know that. Thank you ever so much, TikTokers. I got a wonderful poll going on. Ali, how are you, mate?
Yeah, I'm good, thank you. How are you finding the markets tonight?
Oh, bloody hell. I thought I was going to be up 5% and I'm down 2.83. Wow, can you believe it? I mean, the CPI report was good. The rates are slowing, and yet everyone's selling everything again. What do you make of it, Ali?
Not much. I think we should have done another 0.75 hike. Make sure inflation's under control. But yeah. I think the real pain will come when the earnings of the beginning of 2023 come out and the companies really start feeling the damage of this interest rate. And that's when I'll be looking to pick some stuff up.
You're waiting for that. I mean, but don't you feel that, in the last year we've lost so much already? I mean, do you not feel that we've had enough pain already, or what do you know? No,
there's probably another 50% left in most stocks, another 50% down, maybe 60, 70% in the cryptos. But at the end of the day, it's dollar cost averaging is always a good method, and I'll start doing that in a couple months.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a tough. I mean, this is the benefit of being in the markets for a longer period of time. If you've been in for a few years, then you look at today and think it's not that big a drop for the last year. It's difficult for me, of course, because I came at the worst time in history after the pandemic pump of COVID, right at the top. And of course, I look at my portfolio and I think, wow, it's dropped a fortune. But in reality, as you say, it's got a long. It could have further to go, right?
Yeah, certainly. Yeah, I mean, margin is always a good thing to keep an eye out for. You don't want to be over leveraged in times like this. You don't want to be catching a falling knife, as they say. But something like Tesla is bound to go down further, maybe down to $100.
Yeah,
maybe $70.
You said
Tesla's
that.
Yeah.
$100. I mean.
Go ahead. Sorry.
No, I cut you off. Sorry, you go on.
No. It's just it went up so quickly. When things go up so quickly and they lose their supports, they're going to come down just as fast. And obviously Elon Musk likes to play his games. He's really invested in Twitter right now. He's pulling people away from Tesla. And the interest rate hikes are going to hurt them a bit. They're going to have some layoffs, and at that point is when I want to start picking some stuff up. And I think you should put some, every time it pumps a bit, take some cash out and put it on the side for lower prices.
Yeah, everyone's warning me about that, aren't they? Telling me to take profits. I mean, we and I've said it myself. No one ever goes bankrupt or loses everything by making profits. You know, it doesn't matter that you missed out on a pump and it went up 20-30% the next day. If you still made a profit, you made a profit. That's always a good thing. And even though I'm saying it, I haven't yet done it. So I fully.
I mean, there's still time. I mean, in bear markets, we always get some relief rallies, and if you just keep trimming off a bit, trading it a bit more than just investing long term, because we all know that these companies are going to be here in 10, 15 years, but we need to trade them to make some serious money. Otherwise, if we had enough money in it, then we'll just keep and hold. But if we want to make some gains in the bear market, make some more money as we go through the bull market, we need to be taking profits and putting it back in at lower prices.
Sure. When you said about Tesla, going potentially down to $100. I know you are a technical reader, you're a chart reader, but how do you come to that conclusion so confidently when, if we talk about for a moment, yes, you're right, all the fanboys bought Tesla, it got overvalued, and all during COVID, everybody bought Tesla on Robinhood. I get all of that. I understand exactly where you're coming from, and it got overvalued. And even Elon Musk said it's not worth what you're paying for it, which is a very scary thought when the CEO is telling you, calm down, it's more than it's worth. That all makes sense. But when people were buying Tesla, when they first bought it, and it was a very different company than it is today. Didn't have all the gigafactories like it does now. With I believe a fourth one now being on the drawing board. And, now ramping up, and the profits and the margins and all these other wonderful things. And now we're looking at the semi out and the Cybertrucks coming out and all these other things where we got new Teslas with a lower price coming out next year. We've got all these great things on the horizon. And, the market has been proven. It's the best-selling electric car in the world. And all these things, these are all great things. So however the price is up from where it was, it is still down 50% from where it was just like 8-9 months ago. So how can you be so confident?
50% to go. It has another. I mean, all these things you mentioned. 4 years ago, I knew all of that. I knew that it's going to become the most the best-selling electric car. I knew that the semi-truck's coming out. I knew that they're building their factories. They announced their factories. We knew how quickly they're going to get the China one going. We knew all of this 3-4 years ago. Semi-truck was announced 4 years ago. People had doubt in it. We didn't have doubt in it because we knew what Elon Musk could do. And the price 4 years ago was, I don't know, $20. So that was all priced in then. Sure, they have they've got their new robot out. We didn't know that 4 years ago, but at the same time, it's a terrible market conditions, and we knew all of that 4 years ago, and we found out some new stuff. It doesn't warrant as price as that now. It's got a long way to go. But I believe in Tesla long term. I think next bull run it can hit back to 1,000 or whatever. But right now, I'm not buying it until 130, 170. I'll start dollar cost.
When you say 1,000, you mean 333, right?
Yes.
Just want to be absolutely clear. Bloody hell!
No.
It's going to $1,000. Bye.
Yeah, we'll go. No, sorry. I mean, I do mean $1,000. 3-4 years. It's going to be overbought again, and amazing things will happen. The semi truck will be all over the place. The robots will be out, and everyone will be buying in. And sure, it can be at 1,000 4 years time.
Right.
I don't
Now,
doubt that.
there's my point. Right now, this is the point. This is a very good point, and we've just got time to do this before we have to finish the show for our premiere. You're absolutely right. Theoretically, it could go down to $100. I don't know. No one knows. You've obviously got your reason to think it could go to $100. I respect that. But if we believe that in 4 or 5 years' time, and remember, I don't need the money today, then that Tesla, I'm looking at it now at 156, could be 1,000. Who cares? If you paid 100 or 150 for it, or 200 for it, who cares? Of course, we all want to go, well, that's stupid. I want to buy it at 100 if I can buy it at 100. I want to buy it at the lowest price. But remember, nobody has ever been able to time the market. Not one person, well, somebody will. Somebody will randomly walk off the street, open their brand new Robinhood app one day, a year from now, 2 years from now, and they'll go, I'm going to buy Tesla, and it's $99. They won't have a clue what they're doing. They'll buy it, boom, and then all of a sudden, it'll be $1,000. That will happen to somebody. Does that make them the best investor in the world? No, it makes them they bought in at the right time. They were lucky. They didn't know that. Or you can just be in it, hold it, and eventually you'll make some money. I mean, what do you think, Ali?
Yeah, I mean, someone can do that, but the point is, I don't have. I want to make the most out of my money. So if I can buy it for half the price, have double the shares I can. My profits will double just for waiting 3-6 months. So there's two ways to play. I mean, if we had all the money in the world, if we didn't have risk of margin, because I might get margin if when I buy stocks, I normally buy them on margin. So if I might get margin called if it goes down 50%. So I don't want to be buying it now. If margin was not a factor, if I had all the money in the world, then yeah, I don't care where I buy it. And there's a lot of people like that out there. But we can't afford to do that. We need to play sensible with our money. That's what I'm saying. I mean, if you wanted to wait 5-10 years, wait for Tesla to be 1,000, doesn't matter where you buy it, as long as you've got enough money. But it does make a lot of difference. $200 to $100, you double your profits.
Yeah.
I don't want to do that. But but thank you, Martyn. I don't want to take away from your premiere. I'll be joining you there.
Thank you for tuning in as always. I don't know if everyone realizes, but Ali Tisra has got a wonderful tips channel on Discord, which he provides for free of charge to our members. He's great technical analysis, and he's like Ed as well, Ed Nevius. If you ask him nicely in the chat, can you do me a chart on something that you're interested in? He'll do it for you. Very, very helpful, very useful. He posts those into his tips. Really, really great. And Ali, thank you as always for being a great guest on my show and a gold member. And thanks for being part of my show once again.
Thank you, Martyn. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. There's Ali Tisra. Always a great honour to have Ali. Great words from Ali every night. Right, let me close the broadcast lounge down now. Let's exit out of that. Let me close it down. There we go. We're all done for the night. No more guests now. We're about to end our show for our premiere in 4 minutes' time. So I'll be back with you all in the morning for our opening bell, of course. And when we come back in the morning, I'm going to spend the day with you. It's me and Leah's 5th wedding anniversary. So I'm spending my time with you in the morning, and then I'm taking Leah out for dinner tomorrow night. All right, so here's your very last chance before we go. I've got to do the credits, roll the credits. Here is the Advent calendar. We have another one coming out tomorrow morning. There is today's song, the Advent calendar. Go and sign it. It's 13 seconds long. And here is tonight's world premiere, our very first Christmas song. And you're going to get one every single day, all the way through, at the same time every day, including Saturdays and Sundays, all the way through until December 26th. There is today's premiere. And that's where we're going to be in just a couple of moments from now. We've got 23 likes on it. It's a world record. 18 was the record last night. I hope you'll all join me. All we've got time to do now is roll the credits. Someone say roll the credits. And I'm going to get out of here and see you all back for the premiere in a minute. I hope you'll all join me. Let's roll the credits and let's see who the stars of our shows were tonight. Here we go. Who was the stars of our show tonight? Let's have a little look. Okay, we've got, remember we need to sponsor different aspects of your night out tomorrow night. I had the flat wearing glasses. Yeah, you can do that. Absolutely right. You can dead right do that. That'll be absolutely wonderful. So there's the best ever Christmas in a minute coming up. So who have we got? Let me make it a bit clearer so our stars get recognized. Here we go. Let's have a quick look right now. We have subscriptions: Ron Herndon, Dario Costalazzi, and the Loyal Dutch. We got some new subscribers. We didn't get any super chats today. We didn't get any members on Twitch because we're not on Twitch right now. We have an error. We can't broadcast there because of Restream. We're hoping they'll get that fixed very shortly. So we're going directly onto YouTube right now. But thank you ever so much indeed. It's 1 minute to go. I've got to get out of here. Thanks to my subscribers, Ron, Dario, and the Loyal Dutch. That's it from me. See you over there on the world premiere. All be there. Watch it. Share it. Let's get my Christmas songs to go viral. And remember, guys, it's just to bring the family together. I make no money on them at all. They're all copyrighted music. I've done it just to celebrate the family and have fun every day, and hopefully it will bring everyone together for Christmas. All right, see you back in the morning. I'll see you in 1 minute from now on the premiere. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other.